Okay, I have this new HQ lock high security cylinder. It looks like maybe it's supposed to be kind of like a multi-lock interactive. The first thing I noticed about this box is it looked really familiar. Oh wait, here's a DeGard high security cylinder. Huh. I'm thinking the same people are responsible for these things and just branding them differently. If you recall the DeGard, it had an interactive element as well. Pretty impressive security pins for what I thought was just sort of a cheap knockoff. So I don't know exactly why they have two brands of this that are coming from the same place. Key has at least 5 positions. A couple of the guards I got only had 4. Pin sets. Alright. So it seems to work. It's a little sticky in one direction. I'm thinking the tolerances are not brilliant on this guy. Let's see if we can get into that. Oopsie doodle. It's supposed to be new in box, but it looks like somebody's been packing this after a greasy chicken lunch or something. I don't know. It's probably just factory smudge, or maybe it's a return. I don't know. The box was not in outstanding shape. I'll tell you that much. The only thing I really know about this is its telescoping pins, and that it appears to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin sets. So I'm going to see if I can come in from the left. I'm going to try this. Okay, got some binding on 2 outer pin. Something happened. Not a lot of feedback so far. Did I just overset 3? Or maybe not. Might have been a spool or something. Okay, might have been another spool. Okay, now we're in a pretty deep false set. I think there it is, and that's the end. Felt like maybe there's a couple of spools in there or something. Nothing particularly impressive on that guy. A couple of pretty low cuts, so I'm thinking maybe if they put one of those trappy torpedo pins, I just sort of got lucky and not. I can lock this guy back up because I have the key. I should use a better screwdriver for this. Get these tools out of the way. Move these tools in the way. particularly interesting there. Looks like about the right size of follower. Let's hope for no big surprises. Oh, look at that. Hang on a second before we pull that guy out. Maybe. I'm starting to think maybe there's only 4 pin sets. You know, I wasn't paying a whole lot of attention. I was just pick-a-rooing. There we go. Oh, it's 5. Okay. And we don't expect anything special here, but we'll find out. Gonna be like that, is it? Okay, standard pin and pin. Yeah, definitely got some factory grease on this guy. Looks like another standard. Have enough coffee today? There is a torpedo pin there. Well, alright, that's something. So this is really shaping up to be pretty much just another DeGard with a different brand name. It is a different color on the box. The DeGard has a green stripe, and this HQ lock has a yellow stripe. Nothing extraordinary there. It's got the ribs there. Oh, hello. Oh, it's got that little guy that sits in the back. Not 100% sure what that spacer is. Maybe it's just a key stop or something. Or, well, I don't know. Alright, let's see what's upstairs, as they say. Spool in 1. Fat spring. I wonder if these parts are all, but these parts are all interchangeable with the HQ lock. Number 2. Nothing special. Didn't think there was. Door number 3. Spool. Big old fat spring. Door number 4. Another spool. Door number 5. Come here. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. There we go. And another spool. So, there we have it. The HQ lock security hardware is very similar maybe to the DeGard. 5 pin and pins. 3 torpedo pins in some pretty low cuts, so those guys are really easy to overset. When dealing with the DeGards, those were sort of my nemesis. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 spool drivers. So not too bad, and got them on a heck of a Black Friday deal. So happy about that. So there it is.